actually figured out. How much somebody earns in the neighborhood, so that's how they figure that out. So now we know. So this is Battery Park City, and this is where the New World Trade Center complex is. Stands on the deck, as I said, not on the chairs, the benches, the tables, or the stairwell. And then I just kind of want to tell you about the route. So we left Pier 78. Can you imagine the last stop? All right, that's our last stop for the day as well. We left at 4 o'clock and we're going to be back there. And my name is Rachel. I'm your tour guide, second floor. You're going to take the elevator from the ground floor to the top, and that takes 47 seconds. Yeah, that's how fast it is. It's quite a thrill ride. On our left, well, you see, it's behind us. So, yeah, that's the left, and that's the right, yes, and that's the left. I know it gets confusing when you're on a boat, but New Jersey's on our right, and Manhattan's on our left. Okay, so as you're entering, I know. As we're entering into the New York Harbor, we're kind of deep in the New York Harbor, and here on the right is Ellis Island. So Ellis Island, it's got the red brick building, the 4 green domes, the white water tower, and the American flag. Actually come together in triangular shaped patterns, so that's why we call it Tribeca. And remember Canal Street, if you guys walk on Canal Street, it connects Soho, Tribeca, Little Italy, Battery Park City, this neighborhood. This is actually the most expensive neighborhood in the nation, in the whole country. Believe it or not. Yes, in fact, 8 out of 10 of the most expensive neighborhoods in the nation are on the island of Manhattan. Yeah. And Battery Park City, this is the number one. This is where the New World Trade Center complex is, the Statue of Liberty. But you can always go to the World Trade Center. Hop off that are ready to go explore, and then we're going to bring on new friends that want to join us to see the Statue of Liberty. Again, thank you everyone. Did everyone to forget things when it's raining? Because you've got singular towers. They're next to each other side by side. They're also disappearing into the clouds. Tower 3 is actually the taller of the two. So that's the